I don't know, I guess any. Reconnected the battery. We got 12 volts. Yeah, just go inside. See what it's gonna do.
Crank it?
Yeah, go ahead. Okay, nothing. Alright. Do it again. Do it again. Are you cranking it or no?
Yeah.
Yeah? Nothing, right? Okay. Try it now. You're cranking it? Try to crank it. Put it all the way, no? Off? On? Do it again? Okay. Wow.
Did you take? Oh, you're gonna.
There's a starter right there. I've already removed. This wiring is already loose. It's a little bit of a pain. It's one of the bolts for the starter. The other one is really deep behind that that wire. So I'm gonna try to take these two out. That bolt right there, 17 loosened up. Now I have to loosen this other one right there. You see the socket. It's a long bolt. Okay. I'm removing the last connections. We can take the starter out. It was a pain, I gotta tell you that. You cannot get to the connections only until you remove the starter out of its place. Right there, see? There we go. Now I can take it out.
Should I load the bottom because it's gonna hear it?
Nah.
Copyright.
Yeah. Let's see. There she is. Big starter. There's the old one. There's the new one. Gotta swap this bracket. Alright guys, so we're just testing. I disconnected completely this battery from the car. Positive and negative jumper cables. Negative goes on the starter body. Positive goes here. And I'm gonna grab my long screwdriver. Hopefully I can somehow, because it's a bad spot. Let's see if it's gonna. I might need two screwdrivers. Here, hold this, Serwin.
Yep.
I'm gonna need two screwdrivers most likely. See, it's not doing nothing. Nothing at all. This is all connected. We could do it this way too. Just leave it there. Nothing. The starter is no good.
No bueno.
It's already there. So this is a new one. I'm gonna test this new one. Just come right here, Alan. Such a bad spot. Okay, see it spin. That's it, I'm gonna put it on. I tested the new one just so I'm sure that it works. Sometimes you put a new ones on and then you realize you have to take them out again because they're defective. Okay, now it's time to put this new one back on. Alright guys, so there's a starter right there. I reconnected the positive wire and a crank signal wire. Now I'm trying to show you. There's that spot right there where the starter goes. And there's just one bolt on the top and another one on the bottom. Alright, just show you where everything is. There's my starter. It's all hooked up, all good to go. Alrighty then. Put the battery on. One, two, gotta tighten these up. Yep. Just take this out. Alright, go ahead, try it. Look at that, he started. This is the old one. Okay, turn it off, turn it back on. Alright, perfect. Alright, kill it. Then put the wheel back on.